How to measure the angle we will discuss now. How to measure the angle, how we are measuring the angle, how the angle measured in America, how the angle measured in France, how to measure the angle in international system. International system means all members. How it measures we will discuss now. Okay, we are discussing now how to measure the angles. What are the measures we are using to measure the angle? What are the systems you have to measure the angle? Okay, there are mainly three systems are there. One is sexagesimal system, second one is centesimal system, and third one is a radian system or circular system. The sexagesimal system is nothing but this is an English system. This is used by London, America, this, and we are also using this system only. That is sexagesimal system. In sexagesimal system, what we will do it? Take a one right angle. This right angle you divided into 90 equal parts. This right angle you divided into 90 equal parts. It is a right angle. This you divided into 90 equal parts. Divide the one right angle into 90 equal parts. Then each portion is denoted by 1 degree, because the unit of measure of an angle in sexagesimal system is degrees. So how to define 1 degree? You take a one right angle triangle and divide it into 90 equal parts, and each part is denoted by 1 degree. So one right angle is equal to total how many equal parts we divided? 90 equal parts you divided. So that's why one right angle equal to 90 degrees. One right angle is equal to 90 degrees. But in fact, we are measuring the angles. Suppose I am asking you what is the angle subtended by your eye when you have seen the moon. నేనేమన్నా మీరు మూన్ చూసేటప్పుడు what is the angle subtended by in your eye, I asked. So that is a very less angle. That angle is less than 1 degree. That angle is less than 1 degree. అంటే 1 డిగ్రీ కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో 1 డిగ్రీ కంటే తక్కువ ఉండేటాన్ని మెజర్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్ అగైన్ దిస్ 1 డిగ్రీ అగైన్ యూ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 60 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్. హౌ మెనీ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్? You divided into 60 equal parts. Then each portion is denoted by 1 minute. So 1 degree again divided into 60 equal parts, and each part denoted by minute. So that's why 1 degree is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Here minute is nothing but a time or not? Ikkada minute ante time ena? No, it's not a time. It is an angle. It is a angle, smaller angle. Is your protractor sufficient to find the angle which is in minutes? మినిట్స్లో ఉండేది మీ దగ్గర ఉన్న ప్రొట్రాక్టర్తో మెజర్ చేస్తే ఈ మినిట్స్ని మీరు మెజర్ చేయగలరా? నో, యూ కాంట్ మెజర్ ఇట్. 1 డిగ్రీని మళ్ళీ 60 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్ చేసేది లేదు నీ ప్రొట్రాక్టర్లో. సో దట్స్ వై దీస్ ఆర్ ద స్మాల్ యాంగిల్స్ మెజర్. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ ఐ కాంట్ డివైడ్ దిస్ ఆల్సో 60 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ by modern physics. 1 degree is equal to, such kind of instruments are there. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And again, as much as smaller angle also we can measure it. And again this 1 minute. And again this 1 minute again divided into 60 equal parts. It's not possible to draw here. So that's why that 1 minute again divided into 60 equal parts, each part is denoted by 1 second. So that's why 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. This is the division in sexagesimal system. In sexagesimal system, the unit of measure is degrees. One right angle equal to 90 degrees, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. This is the division in sexagesimal system. And the second one is a centesimal system. Centesimal system is the French system. ఫ్రాన్స్లోకి వెళ్ళి చూడండి, వాళ్ళ ప్రొట్రాక్టర్స్ మన ప్రొట్రాక్టర్ లాగా 180 డిగ్రీస్ వరకు ఉండదు, 180 డిగ్రీస్ వరకు ఉండదు. వన్ స్ట్రైట్ యాంగిల్ దే డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 200 parts they divided. Okay, the unit of measure of centesimal system, in centesimal system, the unit of measure of an angle in centesimal system is grades. So they are also having right angles. Okay na, right angles వాళ్ళ దగ్గర కూడా ఉంటాయి. That right angle they divided into how many parts? 100 equal parts. This right angle they divided into 100 equal parts. They divided 100 equal parts like that. So each part is denoted by 1 grade. So that's why total one right angle equal to how many grades? One right angle is equal to 100 grades. One right angle equal to 100 grades. Now my question is grade is bigger or degree is bigger? Yes, definitely degree is bigger. Suppose one mango you take it. Distribute 90 members. Each one gets something, some part. Same mango, now you divide 100 equal, 100 divided into 100 equal parts, and each part has to give, you share that mango for 100 members equal parts. So ఇక్కడ ఒక పర్సన్కి ఎంత పార్ట్ వచ్చిందో ఇక్కడ ఒక పర్సన్కి వచ్చే పార్ట్ చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ we divided 100 equal parts, here divided 90 equal parts, here getting more. So that's why degree is always greater than 1 grade. 1 degree is always greater than 1 grade. And again in this system also, again here you got it 1 grade, no? That grade again divided into 100 equal parts. Then one part, then each part is denoted by 1 minute. Here also denoted by minutes only, here also denoted by minutes only. But 1 grade they divided into 100 equal parts and each part is denoted by minute. So that's why 1 grade value is equal to 100 minutes. And again that minute again divided into, see, very smallest triangles those. So divided into 1 minute again divided into 100 equal parts and each part is denoted by seconds. So 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 100 seconds. In which system? Centesimal system. Name itself gives you centesimal means 100 parts. Centesimal. Cent is nothing but 100, no? So that's why here one right angle divided into 100 equal parts. No need to use this definition. Here I am taking right angle means you divided into 90 equal parts in a sexagesimal system. One straight angle is divided into how many equal parts here? 180 equal parts. One right angle is 90 equal parts. Each part is denoted by degree, and one straight angle is divided into 180 equal parts. Then each part is denoted by 1 degree. And complete angle, you take a complete angle is divided into 360 equal parts. Then one part, 1 by 360th part is denoted by 1 degree in sexagesimal system. In centesimal system, one straight angle is divided into 200 equal parts. Here one right angle, 100 equal parts. Then one straight angle is 100 plus 100, 200 parts. Then each part is denoted by 1 grade. Complete angle is divided into 400 equal parts. 400 equal parts, then each part means 1 by 400th part is denoted by 1 grade. So that's why here division is either right angle or straight angle or complete angle. Anything you can take it, no problem. These are the 2 divisions we are discussing in centesimal system.